Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Shopify, how to create a store on Shopify, about DIY and tools business, easy and quick. So first type Shopify on the store, on the search. So first let's enter the website. So as we know, Shopify is a tool for making online stores. It helps people sell things on the internet by creating a website where they can display and sell their products. So first of all, here enter your email address and start free trial. Now you can just skip all this if you want, and let's continue. Now choose an account. Now wait a few seconds to build in this website. So the first thing you have to do, you have to go to the online store and go to the themes. Here the themes where you can change the themes if you want. So here you can select any theme you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this. Select any theme and wait to install in the theme. Now once your theme is installed, click publish, click here. Now you can customize this on your homepage store. So now click here customize, and it will take you to your homepage store. So first here you can change the style of your homepage. You can make it like a desktop or like a mobile style or like a full screen. So I'm gonna just keep it like a desktop like this. So here you have this list of, you can here design your site as you like. So it begins with the header and it ends with the footer section. So the first here we have the header, the announcement bar. Here you can change the color scheme if you want. Also you can show separator line, you can show icons on desktop, you can turn this on, auto rotate announcements, and also you can enable country, region, and selector. You can enable language selector. So that's it. Now let's get back and let's move on to the announcements. Here you can change the text, you can paste a link or search for something. I'm gonna select the collections, all collections like this. Here let's move on to the header. You can change or manage the desktop logo position. Also you can manage the main menu or remove it if you want. You can also manage the desktop logo menu type. You can manage the sticky header. Also you can show separator line, and you can edit the color scheme. You can edit the menu color scheme. So that's it. Also here you can turn this on, country and region selector, or language selector, or enable language selector. So here you can manage the spacing, the button margin, and the section padding, the top padding and the bottom padding. You can also manage the theme settings. You can enter here your email, your social media links, Twitter link or Facebook or Pinterest or Instagram or whatever you want. Now let's move on to the logo. Here you can select images from your browser, from your library, or for example let's search on this from on the browser. DIY tools logo idea. So that's it. For example this, put it here and wait to upload it. So you can edit it at any time you want. You can delete it, you can change it if you want. So here you can manage the desktop logo position. You can also edit the vertical offset. So that's it. Now let's move on to the slideshow. So here you can edit the layout, you can edit the slide height, also you can edit the pagination style. You can turn this on, auto rotate slides. You can manage the animations. You can also manage the accessibility. So that's it. Now let's move on to this slide section. Here you can, for example, you can upload image from browser, DIY tools. So for example you can choose photos from here. for example this. Just put it here and wait to upload this photo. That's it. Here you can generate the heading if you want. For example, just describe what this text is about. For example, DIY tools, and click here generate. So for example this, you can edit the heading size. You can also generate the subheading. So click here generate, and you can choose from the suggestions here. So that's it. You can change the button label. Also you can change the button link. You can use outline button style. You can manage the desktop logo content position. So that's it. Here you can change the color scheme. So that's it. Let's get back. So if you wanna delete some section, just select it and click here remove section or remove block, and it will be deleted. Now let's move on to the featured collections. Here we find the heading DIY and tools. So like this, generate. You can manage the heading size. You can also add a description, just like we does here. You can show collection description from the admin. So that's it. Here you can change the color scheme. You can enable carousel on the desktop. You can enable this if collection has more products than shown. You can manage the product card. So that's it. So if you wanna add something new, just click here and select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. So that's it. Now let's move on to the last section, the footer. You can edit the email sign up, the color scheme. You can make section full width. You can also edit the section padding. So after you're done from this, you can go to the theme settings. You can edit the logo, the colors, the typography, and that's it. You can also edit the layout and the animations, so whatever you want. Now after you're done from design your website, now we can save this, and let's get back to the home page, the dashboard. So let's go to the home. So after you add your first product, after you customize your online store, and after you add a custom domain, and after you add the sharing details, now the next step, you can name your store. Click here, name your store. So name, you can type any name you want. Here you can enter your store phone, and here you can change your email address. So that's it. Now let's save this. So that's it. Now all you have to do is launch your online store and you can publish it. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.